Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Spectrum routers. That frustrating solid blue light that means your router is on and connected, but you still can't get any internet. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through easy, step-by-step fixes that could have you back online in minutes. This is especially relevant for 2025 models, but these tips work for most Spectrum setups. Let's jump right in. First off, understand what the solid blue light signifies. It usually indicates the router is powered up and linked to your network, but there might be a problem with your internet service, cables, or settings. Start with the simplest fix: power cycling your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a couple of minutes to reboot and check if your internet is working. This often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't do the trick, move on to checking your connections. Make sure the Ethernet cable from your modem to the router is securely plugged in on both ends. Also, verify that your device, whether it's a computer, phone, or smart TV, is properly connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Loose cables are a sneaky cause of this problem. Next, restart your modem too. Sometimes, the modem needs a refresh. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in, then restart the router afterward. This double reset can resolve issues between your devices. Now, let's get a bit more technical. Log into your router's settings by typing its IP address, usually 192.168.1.1, into your web browser. Look for any available firmware updates and install them. Outdated software can cause connectivity problems. If you're not comfortable with this, skip ahead. If you're still stuck, check for service outages. Head to the Spectrum website or app to see if there are any reported issues in your area. Sometimes, it's not your equipment, it's the service provider. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. This will erase all your custom settings, so only do this if necessary. Use the reset button on the back of the router, hold it for 10 seconds, and let it reboot. Remember, you'll have to reconfigure everything afterward. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Spectrum support. They can diagnose any account-specific problems. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your router humming again. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.